Free medical camp come health talk Pangthokhre. Imphal gi Singzamai Chinga Mathakta Laiba Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Person Manipurna Tangkak Naina Chatharapa Outreach Program gi Manung Channa Ngasi June 16 da New Delhi da Laiba National Foundation for India ga kusam maduna Nomagi Oiba Free Medical Camp come health talki Thoramama Imphal District ki Kamuchang Khulengi Community Hall da Pangthokhre. Anabasing the Lem Hidak Langtak Piba Yauna Pangthokiba Thoramaduda Mapumoina Regional Institute of Medical Science Imphal Community Medicine Department ki Health Educator M Megachandra Mitaina Career Pigani Cancer Yauna Tuberculosis Amadi Non-Communicable Disease Singna Oirakpa Yaba Amasung Kamdona Laina Layung Osidagi Ngakthokpa Yai Haibagi Matangda Resource Person Oina Wangangki Tungda Thorongi Sarukama Oina Lemna blood sugar hemoglobin blood group na chingbagi test Pangthokhe loinana tongan ba doctor kayana gynecologist medicine physiotherapy ENT ai na chingbada analayeng chathaki amasung mathau taba anabasingda lemne hidak langtaksu kusinaki ngasigi miyoi chamaga kunga manga na saruk yaduna Pangthokiba free medical camp come health talki thoramaduda social activities sapamcha kangleipalsu saruk yaki Mahakna Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Person Manipur amasung camp ta saruk yariba Dr. Singbu thagatpa amasung tawbimal khangbasu utki.
Nak madi macin na haida bagi warini masana tai birro cancer ng bukaray dilay ko na birro na kauri bani mado mayam thajadam to biniko adana sina maram moidana kaidu taba akoy aksang din noi harasu anoi misi yangram yang mi leina yangram yang ba habidine namjin chelasu amu karmai to bojano habidu kitang ama ai palamge cancer abisite nate akoy haksang da sel mayam yauri kudum moina da akoy haksang da jiba mayam yauri ko adugi sel sing asida akone chari ba thai